Today I'm going to show you how you access and maintain the main valve internals for the AVK control valve range. You begin by loosening the unions on the pilot. Once these are loose, you can then begin to undo the top cover bolts. And then we remove the bonnet and the pilot from the top of the valve. Checking that the inside of the bonnet is clean and we have no blockages on the holes. We will then move on to check that the spring is in good condition and clean. Next we will remove the internals from the valve. It is important to check that the components are all in good condition with no deterioration or heavy marks. Here we see the plug, nice clean surface, and the diaphragm with no holes or deterioration. The seating needs to also be checked for a clean face with no marking to ensure that we can have a drip tight seal with the plug. Once the components have been checked and are in good working order, we can look to reassemble the valve. And that is how you would check the internals and disassemble and reassemble the main valve of the Series 859 control valve.